Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome to Module 27 of the Money Spot program on how to build a six-figure product business. If there is one thing that can catapult your sales from zero to it is partnering with people that have an audience, so-called influencers. Now, in this module, we go through how you can do that and how you can make yourself look more attractive so that influencers want to partner with you. It's not all about getting the person with 1 million followers, but even getting someone with fewer followers, but with an engaged following, is a way of gaining traction. There is that African proverb that goes something like, if you want to make it far, go together. If you want to make it fast, go alone. And this is exactly that. It's about creating strategies to partner with people that will make you multiply your sales even faster. If you're enjoying what you're watching, please like and subscribe. But of course, given the COVID-19 situation, please share this video with other people that might benefit from it. Enjoy. Welcome to Module 27 of the Money Spot program. Marketing, the power of partnerships. Why would you want to partner with anyone at all? Why not just enjoy the benefits of growth all on your own? Because partnerships multiply your business's growth. They help boost your exposure by introducing your brand to a whole new set of buyers and potential fans. Whilst this particular module is very short, the implementation of it is going to take you a long time and will require a lot of effort and research. Who can you partner with? From the easiest to the hardest, I would say bloggers, vloggers, niche-specific independent shops, for example, sellers of baby wear if you make things for babies, relevant experience-based venues, for example, spas and salons if your product is relevant to those niches, small chain stores that are a little bit more open to stocking new products, supermarkets that fit your brand's profile. So if you are a budget brand, you might go for the likes of Tesco and Walmart. But if you are a more upmarket brand, you'd go for places like John Lewis and Whole Foods. You can go for all the above categories in a different country to your own country in order to form partnerships outside of your local country. How can you make partnering with you look more attractive? If there's anything any new business owner or new blogger or vlogger finds out very quickly, is that in order to get attention from the right people in your industry, they want you to have a very good or decent following or a very good offering. Any potential joint venture partner or JV partner will be thinking, what's in it for me? That's just how human nature and the world works. To make the proposition of working with you attractive, you need to either offer a monetary reward, that is, pay for that attention, or make the potential partner look very good in the eyes of their fans. Money-wise, you can promote the potential JV partner first. So for instance, by promoting their product to your fan base, you can offer the potential partner access to your email list. So you don't give them your email list, but you email your list about that particular business or blogger's products and offering. You can offer access to your social networking power. You can offer affiliate income. You can show that your product will fly off the shelf. So if they promote and sell your product, they'll get a very decent affiliate revenue or commission. You can make stocking your product low effort. For example, allow a limited number of shops to pay after the product sold. Of course, you need to ensure that they're liable if anything gets stolen. Depending on whether you have a physical or a digital product, your promotion strategies with your partner will be different. Create a media pack that summarizes everything you or your business has to offer to partners. The more you do for other people, the more they'll feel obliged to do something back. Again, it's just human nature. In terms of making a potential partner look good, you can interview them on your site or write a complimentary blog about them and their business Flatter them. Flattery will totally get you everywhere. On social media, retweet their posts and try to engage with them on their area of interest. I'll tell you for sure that when someone keeps retweeting me a lot, I notice, and I hold them in great favor. It's just human nature, I guess. The more you do for other people, the more they'll be obliged to do something back. Just keep thinking about this in your mind. What can I do for him or her? If you do something good, they'll want to do something back. Go to your training manual in order to do the partnership exercises. Design a strategy for creating joint ventures and partnerships as you grow. It will be essential to scaling your platform, your profile, and your business's growth. The conclusion on partnerships: you'll grow faster if you leverage other people's help. Forming partnerships can be hard work to begin with, but the return on a good JV is multiple times the effort. Constantly seek new partnerships and relationships in order to develop your business's profile. I hope you enjoyed this module, and I'll see you in the next one. Marketing paid for advertising. Bye. Hey, if you've made it this far, then you must be liking what you're watching. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with someone else that might be trying to start or grow a business, especially in these very difficult COVID-19 times. Thank you.